you so very much to everybody for coming here. And छोटी सी शुरुआत है, अपने थोड़े बड़े सब साथ में हैं, तो शुरुआत थोड़ी सी मजेदार लग रही है. पहली फिल्म है, सबका सपोर्ट, सबकी ब्लेसिंग्स चाहिए. And all are here. Thank you, Guldar sir, for coming. Vishal ji, my mentor, my guru, guide, everything. I owe my life from him. So I always need your support. विशाल जी के साथ
to come on the stage and unveil our little baby here for the people at large. Please, sir.
तो देखें पे डायरेक्टर से मुलाकात नहीं हो पा रही.
Guys, give it up for Konkan Singh Sharma.
आइए इनके साथ खड़े हुए.
Guldar sir, I will request for you to say a few words.
जी मैं मुबारकबाद दे रहा हूं उनको, जिन्होंने ये पहला कदम उठाया है और बड़ी खूबसूरती से और हिम्मत से उठाया है और जोश व खरोश के साथ उठाया. मैं अच्छे मेहमानों को बुलाया, आप सबको मुबारकबाद उनके साथ. और कैमरे के सामने जो कुछ इनसे करवाया जाता था, अब यहाँ इस बार डायरेक्टर बताएंगी कि अब हम आपके साथ क्या सलूक करने वाले हैं. आपने जो कुछ हमारे साथ किया हम सब वही करेंगे, है ना. तो मुबारकबाद फॉर यू. कोंकणा को मुबारकबाद क्योंकि उनकी पहली पिक्चर है और पहली डायरेक्शन है. तो आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट. और डायरेक्शन में आदमी अक्सर दुबला हो जाता है, पर इससे ज्यादा दुबला होने की जरूरत नहीं है. गो अहेड विद करेज. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And Vishal sir, how does it feel? I mean, kids who have worked under you, learned under you, अब आपकी फैमिली एक्सटेंड हो रही है ना, एंड योर रियल सिनेमा प्रमोट करने के लिए दोनों निकले हैं. क्या कहना चाहते हैं सर?
Actually, we have all learned together. We have all grown together. It's not that कि इन्होंने मेरे अंडर सीखा, हम सब ने साथ में सीखा. मैं भी सीख रहा था जब ये सीख रहे थे. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है, कई सारी खुशियां. एक तो ये कि अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो रहे हैं. आई थिंक द ओनली वे टू मेक फिल्म्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री इज बाय बिकमिंग ए प्रोड्यूसर. और दूसरी खुशी ये है कि अब इस तरफ आए हो, जरा मजा आएगा, जरा पता चलेगा डायरेक्टर्स क्या करते हैं.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. नहीं, मुझे अभिषेक ने कहा था कि विशाल जी के साथ काम करते हुए उन्होंने एक वार्निंग दी थी हमें, देखो सबसे पहले तुम लिखना सीखो. अगर डायरेक्टर बनना है तो लिखना सीखो तुम. यू मस्ट लर्न टू राइट. तो इसे जब हमने लिखना सीख लिया और डायरेक्टर हो गए तो फिर हमसे कहा अब तुम प्रोड्यूसर होना सीखो, वरना उसके बगैर ये काम पूरा नहीं होगा. एंड आई थिंक दे हैव द राइट काइंड ऑफ अ गाइड विद देम एंड दे हैव टेकन द राइट स्टेप्स.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir.
So I'm very happy for both of them, and it's like my own production house, they have made. And on top of that, I'm such a big fan of Coco. Look, everyone is saying that.
मैंने नहीं किया. मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
No, I'm such a big fan of her, and I think she's the finest actor to have happened to us in our industry. And she has direction in her genes. She has a writer. Her father is such a prolific writer. And I'm so excited to watch your film, Coco. All the best.
All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Come. Thanks a lot, sir. I would like to call upon the stage I Dream. And I would request that what do you have to say coming on board? I mean, of course, you both hate the same creative sensibilities. What do you have to say about A Death in the Gunj, about Coco, about each and every member associated to the project?
No, after a very long and I think this is one of the finest scripts we read after a very long time too. And बड़ा अच्छा लगा पढ़ के. And Coco is obviously we are a big fan of Coco as an actor. And what we thought was really a perfect screenplay without changing a single dot or a comma. We said we decided to come on board. And obviously the guidance of, and I'm really humbled by the presence of Gulzar ji and Vishal ji over here to bless us and to sort of launch us, in fact relaunch I Dream again, because we've been away for a while. So it's a great thing for Coco and for Honey and Abhishek and for us. So thank you guys for, and wish us all the best for the film.
Of course. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, sir. Coco, you need to stay. And sir, thanks a lot, sir. Thanks. So, Coco, I would request you. So, this is not the real poster, right, guys. This is what they want to clarify. And of course, please come in the middle now. Why are you so nervous? Yeah. So, of course, we want to know that where did the journey start from? कहाँ से ये शुरुआत हुई? And how does it feel that you have such amazing people on board to, produce your first film?
I'm so thrilled and so excited to be here today. And it's so amazing that this is inspired from some childhood story that I've been hearing since I was 5 or 6 years old. And now it's so unbelievable that so many people are here because we're making that movie. It's unreal. The whole feeling is unreal. And Honey and Abhishek have been my guardian angels from the beginning. And studio, the I Dreams has, come in with their support. And I'm just so happy because, it's not really necessarily a very conventional film in some ways. And the fact that Vishalji and Gulzar Saab are also here, it just gives me, a lot of moral support. And I have my amazing cast and crew here as well, who I'd like to call up.
On that note, please come on the stage. The entire cast of A Death in the Gunj. Tanuja ji, can I help you? Please, come. So, of course, Om Puri sir is missing because of his prior commitments. He's already shooting. And so, Coco, I'm going to ask you a tough one. Who is your favorite character? Who is your favorite character?
My favorite
Guys,
is...
I'm so sorry. Guys, please sit. Guys, please sit. Yes, please sit.
My favorite is Arya, who is the most important part of our team.
Arya, what do you want to say about Coco?
She's already been part of the workshops, and so you can say something about that if you want.
She's creative, and she has, when we were doing the workshop, it was a lot of fun.
Nice. Before I ask you guys to ask a question, I want to ask you guys that you've been doing workshops together. So far, what is the difference the actress Konkona and the director-writer Konkona?
Uh, no, I think as an actor, because she's such a fabulous actress, she understands what actors go through. So she's very gentle and empathetic and almost tender, I would say, which is a rare quality in a director. So I think I've known about the script for much longer than the rest of the guys, and I even when she had not thought about making a film, I had told her that she should, because she just has a fabulous eye. You should see some of the photographs that she takes. And, looking forward to this. I didn't know I would be part of it, but I'm glad that she is finally directing.
You want me to say something? Okay. Of course, she's a fabulous actress, and I want to say, yeah. Well, he's expecting me to say something, so. Yeah, I mean, I don't know if there are any other adjectives that are left that I can use to describe how great an actress she is. But working on this project, we started reading the script and discussing. You could see a tremendous amount of excitement. There was a childlike excitement in her. You know, she was like bubbling and bouncing all the time, and she was so excited just to meet. Oh, I'm so excited to meet you and all that. It's fantastic to just, you know, come across this sort of an energy, and it's quite infectious. So it was great doing the workshops, and we had a lot of fun and a lot of fooling around. But so I'm really looking forward to the schedule and you know, making the film together.
So guys, 25th June is the day when they go on floors. Of course, now you have a lot of questions for Kalki, for Tanuja ji. 25th Jan, I'm so sorry. I think something in there. 25th Jan. So guys, questions from... Can we have a mic in the audience? There is one from...
Congratulations, Konkana. You're debuting as the director. Congrats. Would you tell us how was your experience on the first day?
My experience on the first day?
Yeah.
Of shoot?
Yeah.
It's yet to come.
Being the captain of the ship, it was to handle the crew.
See, the shoot actually hasn't started yet. Okay. So that remains to be seen. But if the workshops were any indication,
yeah,
then I think it will be tough to handle all of them together. But they're a great bunch of people, and it's been super fun actually working with them already, because I'm getting a sense of what it'll be like on set. And they have a lot of energy, and I think most of them just all know each other from before and are already friends, which also helps.
Yeah, the next one. The person in the cap.
Hi Konkana, this is Ravi. Just wanted to know कि वो exact कौन सा point था जब आपको लगा कि आपको director बनना चाहिए actor से? कई actors होते हैं जो director बनते हैं, लेकिन कुछ inspiration होता है उसके पीछे, और आपके favorite directors कौन है हिंदी सिनेमा में?
I don't know. You know, honestly, I never wanted to be an actor either, and I never thought I wanted to be a director. But it's just that this particular story long, and the story had been with me for so long. I didn't think that I would be able to write a script either. But the whole thing just kind of started becoming bigger and bigger in my head. And at some point, I just knew that, oh, this is how it's going to be. I'll have to write it. I'll have to direct it. Because I don't think that you can explain the whole thing in your head to somebody else either, the way it is in the film in your head. I mean, of course, now one has to, it's so lovely that I have so many people to share that with. But I think that's why, because I just felt the need. I don't feel the need to ever make another film. But this particular one, I feel like I have to share.
कौन-कौन से favorite directors हैं आपके?
ये please आप पूछिए मुझसे, please.
कई directors का नाम ले सकते हो आप.
बहुत लंबा लिस्ट है.
Few of them.
Hi, Konkana, Akhilesh here from TV24. सबसे पहले आपको बधाई हो. और फिल्मों में तो देखा और सभी का अपने दिल जीता. As a director, कहते हैं कि जब जवाबदारी बढ़ गई है आपकी एज ए डायरेक्टर, और जब जवाबदारी का बोझ कंधे पे पड़ता है तो अक्सर बचपन याद आ जाता है, तो आपको एज ए डायरेक्टर ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है कि बचपन याद आ रहा है?
एज ए डायरेक्टर बचपन याद आ रहा है कि नहीं? I think if anything I've aged. I've just aged in the last month or so. But with stress, bachpan nahi yaad aa raha as such. A little bit, I guess, I'm remembering being on set with my mother, etc. But not really. Also, the film is set in. I don't think we've mentioned that the film is set in 1978-79. So that's been very interesting. That's just such a fun thing to add to everything, that it's set in 78-79, which is such a different world, and it's not set in a big city. So it's set in a Ganj. Like a McLeod Ganj or an Andrews Ganj. So it's set in a Ganj, and it's not. So it's a very specific milieu. It's a specific time. It's a specific place. So that is what is most exciting to me. You must talk also.
कोंकणा, एक और सवाल मेरा आपसे रहेगा, एक और सवाल। कोंकणा, जब आप स्क्रीन पे एक्टिंग करती हैं या परफॉर्म करती हैं तो आंखें ही नहीं बल्कि सांसें भी थम जाती हैं लोगों की, दर्शकों की, तो ये आप कैसे कर लेती हैं?
It comes naturally. She told me to say.
कोंगना, हाय, ज्योति फ्रॉम E24 न्यूज 24 यहाँ पर। मेरा सवाल, पहला सवाल ये है कि रणवीर के साथ आपने काम किया है स्क्रीन पर, लेकिन अब डायरेक्ट करने में कितनी मुश्किल होगी और किस
अभी
तरह
पता चलेगा।
और रणवीर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि डायरेक्शन के लिए आप तैयार हैं? कोंकणा आपको डायरेक्ट करने वाली हैं और आपने एक्टिंग उनके साथ की है, लेकिन अब डायरेक्शन की बात है, क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं?
मैंने मना किया था, इन्होंने इंसिस्ट किया है कि मैं करूं। अब जब कोई इतना इंसिस्ट करे डायरेक्टर, और खास करके जब डायरेक्टर आपके बच्चे की माँ हो, तो ना करना मुश्किल हो जाता है।
So we can say actually, you're actually producing another baby together. We can say that. But Tanuja ji, talking to you, आपने of course इन सबसे ज्यादा सिनेमा देखा है, किया है, तो क्या कहना चाहती हैं यंग ब्रिगेड ऑफ एक्टर्स के बारे में कि इनका जो होमवर्क करने का तरीका है या काम करने का तरीका है वो पहले से कितना अलग है?
कितना अलग है? बहुत ही अलग है। मतलब हम लोग कभी रिहर्सल्स करते नहीं थे, हम लोग कभी वर्कशॉप्स करते नहीं थे। हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब जो आते थे वो हमारे बाद आते थे, सेट पे आराम से आते थे, एंड it was not as professional as it is today. And I'm very happy to see that it is professional. It's a good idea to have these workshops and to be, so that we meet the cast and the crew together. And it's like the whole team is making the film. It's not just the producer or the director or an individual actor. It's all the actors together. It's all a teamwork. So I am very happy with this. Thank you.
Is there any other question? Okay, Kalki, coming to you. Can we have the mic, please? So what do you have to say about your cast and otherwise as your character in A Death in the Ganj? And of course, you worked with them back in the day. Equation jo abhi change hui hai. Earlier you were together in front of the camera, both of you especially.
Yeah, it's nice, you know. I think, yeah, we haven't started, but it's been great because I think Coco is very, very much treating this like her baby. So she's spending unusual amounts of time with us, like really patiently sitting with us with like things like the Bengali accent, you know, which you don't get the luxury of doing with your directors very often. And as for my cast, I've worked with most of them before. You know, we've done plays together, we've done films. So it's very comfortable. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. And Coco's, half her job is going to be disciplining us on set and, you know, making sure we get to bed on time.
Who is the naughtiest? We want to know who is the naughtiest.
Ranveer Shore, of course. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Vikrant, you have started from TV, probably, and now you're working with some of the biggest names in the films. How you see your transition?
Sorry, come again?
ये जो आपने प्रगति की है टीवी से फिल्मों की तरफ और अब आप बड़े लोगों के साथ काफी प्रसिद्ध लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, कैसा अनुभव कर रहे हैं आप ये बदलाव अपने?
जी, it's unbelievable. ये जाहिर सी बात है कि जैसे आपने कहा मैंने टीवी से शुरुआत की थी और आज मैं फिल्म में कर रहा हूँ. They are probably जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे हैं आप देख रहे हैं, they are probably the best around in the business, so it just can't get better than this. Really excited, as Konkana said, you know, if the workshops are an indication to go by, like all of us will have a lot of good fun. Or it's also a challenge because we are recreating an era, 79 mein based hai. So everybody, if you know, we've come together to do something good, and hopefully we do that.
So how will it working like a doll like Kalki? So you are paired, yeah.
Yeah, it feels great. Obviously, it feels great. It's a massive challenge as well because
you have romantic. ऐसा कुछ है उनके साथ आपका?
जी, आपका सवाल मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है सर.
मतलब you have romantic overtones with her in the film?
I think we should wait for the film, but yeah, I am paired opposite her with her, and it's a great challenge for me also because she's one of the finest, as I said, around, or that will only get the best out of me. So I'm really keeping my fingers crossed, and let's see how it goes.
Vishal ji is left.
Okay, so I would request Gulzar Saab and Vishal ji to come on the stage once again. Really sorry to bother you again, but and I would request iDream as well to come on the stage. Abhishek, Honey. Oh, she's missing. I think there are a couple of questions for Vishal ji and Gulzar Saab. Can we please have the crew as well on the stage?
Shishoda.
We have Shisho Ray, our cinematographer, Siddharth Sirohi, our production designer, Rohit Chaturvedi, our costume designer, Sagar Desai, music, and anybody else who's here, Disha. Atul Mongia, our workshop coordinator. We're behaving as though we've already made the film.
I think from here onwards my work will tell, but till now I have been blessed. That's the best I can say. Whatever I am, whoever I am, because of him.
Well, the actress that I do admire, and I've really enjoyed all her performances, is Coco. I think she's a brilliant actress, and I know that she's going to be a brilliant. I also want to say one thing about her. I've been in this industry for a long time, and I've heard a lot of scripts. She's the only director who has narrated the script to me and I have closed my eyes and have been able to visualize the entire film as she has narrated it to me. So God bless her. And I know that she's going to make a brilliant film. I don't really look at them very much. If they're good looking, they're fine. Wow, what muscles, what 8 packs. And where talent is concerned, I think they're all very talented. Yeah. Why? What I think doesn't make a difference. My children have a mind of their own, and I'm sure you know that Kajol has a mind of her own. And if she decides to take up direction, she will, I guess. But I don't have any say in the matter. Thank you.